Hello everyone, my name is Chandan Singh and welcome to my channel. Well guys, this is the real storytelling series. So today I am going to narrate a story. It's of course a real story which happened with me. Okay, before I tell you the story, let me give you some background. The thing is that I have done black belt in karate. That's the fact, okay? And I am whiz at brandishing nunchuck. You must have heard about nunchuck. I can brandish very well. Okay, it was the background. Now let me tell you the story. It's a story of maybe 2000 or 2001. Okay, that time I was in Bihar. So one day I made a plan to go to Hajipur. That time I did not have any car, neither did I have any bike. So I always used to go by reserving the autos. So I reserved an auto. That time the auto driver used to take I think 150 or 200 rupees for Hajipur. So auto driver came with his auto and I, along with my dad, boarded the auto and we left for Hajipur. When we crossed 5 to 6 kilometers, what we saw, that out of nowhere two guys came just in front of the auto. They kind of waylaid the auto, and when they waylaid the auto driver had to stop it. Let this vehicle pass. This vehicle is coming making a noise, then I'll resume the story. It's making sound. Okay, so they waylaid the auto, due to which the auto driver had to stop the auto. Then one of them said to the driver that let us come in, we would like to go to Hajipur. Auto driver said that no, this auto is reserved, so you cannot go. But when the auto driver said this, one of them slapped the auto driver very tightly, which I could not tolerate. I just got down from the auto and I remember that I kicked on his chest. And when I kicked on his chest, let me tell you, there was a broad and deep drain along the road. The person fell into the drain. My father also got down from the auto and he started fighting with that guy. One person was there. And when that person who fell into the drain started raising an alarm, and hearing which a lot of people, I mean, they were across from me, they were drinking kind of alcohol, the desi alcohol and all. I would say that was a kind of tadi and all. You must have heard about tadi. So they were drinking tadi. They just came, and after that, I'm telling you guys, they started beating us. I would say that I was beaten brutally that time. I mean, the hand was coming and hitting my eyes, one hand was coming hitting my chest. I mean, I was being beaten. Then anyhow I managed to go to the auto and I took that nunchuck which I had kept in the auto. I started brandishing the nunchuck indiscriminately. I started brandishing the nunchuck, due to which so many people got injured as well. And the driver, he went to the road and started stopping some autos, and lots of drivers gathered over there. Then anyhow the matter was resolved. They intervened and everything got normal. So did you understand, guys? So it was the real story which happened with me. This incident took place. After that, we went to Hajipur, and next day, my one eye got swelled up. It was dark. I had a very deep dark circle that time. So this happened with me. So I can never forget it. Though I was beaten brutally, yet I also tried to hit them, and they got injured as well. But I am happy that I kicked one guy and he fell into that deep and broad drain. I am happy for that. So this is all, guys. So in real storytelling, what happens, guys? I always tell you that you have to think what happened, okay, and start narrating. When you start narrating, you just have to think about the action which took place. You have to use second form. Sometimes you have to use the structure started, like I started going, they started beating me. Sometimes you have to use the structures was, were. So if you are whiz at sentence making, then of course, guys, you can narrate any story. And I'm telling you, in English conversation, storytelling is the backbone. This is the main thing. Because in first meeting, you always talk about normal things like about daily life and about kind of introduction conversation happens. But when you meet again and again, then everybody tells a story. Everybody narrates something, whatever has happened. Maybe something happened in your office. Maybe something happened at your home. You will try to start narrating that story. So this is what you have to learn. So I think you must have liked it. Every day I will come with one real story. So thank you very much. This is all about this video. See you in another episode. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Take care. Thank you.